Welcome, my friend. So this day we're going to teach you about hooks, why you need them, and how you can use them in your content. As we know, content is just communicating your ideas, your solutions, and what you're selling to your audience, right? If you are selling a product or service, you have to communicate that so that they actually understand what's in it for them, not so much what's in it for you. So I'm going to read over the prompts for this week and I'll give you an example how I would use it. So my main thing is I help people with communicating their products, their ideas, and mostly coaches and entrepreneurs. So the first hook is actually, let me pause. Why do we need a hook? In your videos or in your posts, people are going to give you 3 seconds of permission, which means you got 3 seconds to stop them from scrolling and to either listen or to read what you've put on social media. If I take those first 3 seconds and I use them to introduce myself, people are going to swipe. The reason why they're going to swipe is because they have thousands of other people who they're probably following or just hundreds of other things they can be doing. So in those first 3 seconds, we have to stop them from scrolling and get them to come into the conversation, which is our video or our post. Another thing with a hook is a hook allows people to read it or see it and stop and say, hey, I'm interested in this. If there's no hook, people are not going to stop. And remember, we have 3 seconds of permission. So I'm going to give you the four hooks and I'll give you an example how I could use it. Of course, you want to use it based on your field and your industry. So the first one is, can we normalize, right? I would put that either on the video or in my captions. Can we normalize? For me, I would say, can we normalize talking about our feelings in a peaceful way? That may not be as great. Or I can say, can we normalize not yelling at your husband like your mother used to yell at your dad? Now, that may stir up some emotion, but it would get people to stop and actually listen or read. The second one is, this is your friendly reminder to whatever you want them to do or whatever they're desiring. This is your friendly reminder to sign up for Content Made Simple so your content can stop failing. The next one, anybody else ever feel? This is a good one because it brings some curiosity and you can be a little more relatable in this one. Anyone else ever feel like you're talking, someone's completely not listening to you? Everybody has probably sensed that of some sort. And then the fourth one, I've been burning to ask you guys this question. This can be any question. I would say try to relate it to your niche, but it can be any question just to get some engagement and to get people coming on your page, talking, watching, and saving. So those are the four hooks for this week. As always, you don't have to follow those four hooks. You're welcome to make your own. I'm just giving you a way to take something off of your plate when it comes to content creation because I want you to be using content to make coins. I want you to be using the content to go make coins for your business. Any questions, hit me up in the group. Be great.